Instagram switched the swipe up feature to a link sticker, and you're finally getting comfortable and on board with this idea. But what kind of links should you be using to help boost your engagement and work in your favor as a small business? In today's video, we're going to discuss 3 ideas to creatively use the link sticker to help boost your engagement and your following and help you grow. Hi, if we haven't already met yet, I am Shannon, and I help small business owners and creative entrepreneurs build a community, create an impact, and grow their business, all with social media. A couple videos back, we discussed what it means for small business owners now that the swipe up feature is gone and it has been replaced with the link sticker. If you do not have the link sticker, be patient. It is coming. It always takes Instagram a long time to roll these features out. Today, I want to do a little bit of a deeper dive into how exactly you can strategize using this link sticker to benefit your business. If you missed the first video where I discussed Instagram switching everything over to the link sticker, head on over here and make sure that you watch it. So what is so great about the link sticker, and how can we be the most effective with it and the most efficient with it as well? Well, for starters, it's better for engagement. With the swipe up feature, the customers or your audience were not able to leave comments or like or engage on the actual story. They could only swipe up. With the link sticker, they can still hit the link, which is tapping on the story, which is making it interactive, aka also engaging, but they can also leave you comments about how they feel about it or send you emojis as well. And you can totally use this to advantage by saying, tell me what you think about this link. Tell me what you think about the link sticker. How do you feel about this information? Ask for engagement, ask questions to get to know your audience. So not only are they clicking on the link, but they're shooting DMs to you through your stories as well. Another advantage of the link sticker is that it is cutting the customer journey down. So when the customer has point A and journeys all the way to point of sale, there are so many steps in between. By having the link sticker, it cuts out half of the steps because all they have to do is hit the link sticker, they're taken to the product, add to the bag, enter their payment information, and then purchase. Easy. The easier it is that you make it for a customer to buy something, the more effective your sales will be. However, we're not on Instagram to just sell. So let's explore 3 different types of links that can help you boost your engagement, build your trust factor, and add more to your personal story with this link sticker. You want to always think of ways that you can give back to your customers. And so one way to do that is creating a free resource page. If you go to my page on shannonshipman.com, you'll see a tab for small business resources. And in there are many articles that will help your small business grow. Any kind of free resource that you provide to your customers will actually increase their value and create a deeper connection with the customer. They will become more brand loyal to you and you alone. This happens anytime that you provide something that will make someone else's life easier. They will keep coming back to you again and again and again because you're providing more value to a pain point in their life that they are trying to fix. Another great option is to create a post or an article on something that will complement your product yet also help your customers. For example, FrameBridge, which is a framing company, pretty popular, has an article that teaches you how to properly hang your photos or how to create a gallery wall. They're adding massive value to their customers and helping with a type of situation that complements their product. So it kind of goes together, blends perfectly, right? And you're making your customer's life that much easier. Have a link that relates back to that you want to share in your stories on a regular basis as well. And then my third option that I recommend is sprucing up your about you or your about your brand or your core values page, because you're going to want to share that. People are always going directly to about you or about the brand. And if that page isn't like up to date, people may be like, what's happening here? Because what's happening on this page isn't relaying like what's happening on the social media front of things. And this is also just a great way to get your story across. And people always want to know what your personal story or what the story behind the brand actually is. By having other useful websites that you link on a regular basis, and you don't have to do it every single day, but if you weave them into your stories on a regular basis, your audience is going to get used to engaging with those links. And so that way, when you do post a product or you do post a sale item, they will be wanting to actually click on that link. This creates what I like to call the trust factor in the like, know, and trust. Give, 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 80% of the time, 20% of the time you wanna sell. And that, my friends, the trust is what creates a really beautiful, lifelong relationship with your audience. Also, I want to make an announcement that this is the week I just released my new course, The Content Solution. If you have any issues not knowing what to post or how to strategically keep that in mind, check out the link to the course. It's amazing. You get to hang out with me on a regular basis, and that will be dropped below as well. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop them in the comments below so I can respond. If you did find this video helpful, do not forget to hit a like, smash the subscribe button so you can meet me here every Thursday morning. And if you think that you need a little bit of help on captioning your Instagram content, check out this video here. Thanks, guys.